right, so how about this Cruisin the Coast story? This is day 2 for us. We came here yesterday, and we blew out a seal in a power steering gearbox, and had to have my wife hustle us a box from home, and we had tools, we didn't have everything we needed, and then so today's our first day rolling around. But this group that's in front of us here, we met them in the stall where we were just parked, and it's a beautiful 57, and when they pulled in, we could hear something grinding, and it was the Bendix gear on the starter. It was the Bendix gear in the starter, and they had a wire that shorted out. So I have no idea how they did it, but they traveled without the right tools. But anyway, we made friends with them, and we helped them out, and we were talking with them for so long, we ended up exchanging phone numbers. They ended up leaving, and when they left, Sylvia, she texts me and she says, "You're not going to believe this, but we broke down again." So I tell you what, I'm going to come right there, I'm going to help you out. So, and that's what we did, is we left and we went and we helped them out, and now they're back on the road and they're rolling up the highway now. So that's what Cruisin the Coast is all about. So anyway, this is day 2. You know, this is what it's about. So just, one more thing. There was 9,800 cars registered this morning. There's going to be over 10,000. Over 10,000 by Sunday, no doubt. So anyway, I'm going to upload this when I get a chance. And anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.